Hello YouTube, I am back with another video. This video, I'm actually going to be finally talking about AI. I feel like it's been an issue. I don't want to say issue. I feel like a lot of people on YouTube, or at least in the YouTube art community, has been talking about this, and I have been talking about it, or rather I've been sort of sprinkling how I feel about it in videos before this, but I thought that it was appropriate if I have one video to sort of sum up my feelings about the whole AI situation. This is the only, I guess you could say, the only mainstream art thing that I'm currently caring about. I hear that there's art drama, and I'm not tapped into the art community enough to know about this drama, and even if I was, I don't really feel compelled talking about it because long story short, I don't care. So yeah, back to AI. I've been seeing people on Twitter, YouTube, and just, I guess, social media in general, or at least the artists that are on social media, are scrubbing clean their social media accounts of their art, saying that it's not worth it anymore. They're deciding to do different professions. They're going to back to, I guess, college or something. Going to major in something else. They basically see that there's no merit or no reason to be an artist anymore since AI sort of came and pulled the rug under them. And I'll admit, I agree. It sort of sucks that AI sort of came out of nowhere and threatened, I guess, livelihoods. I agree with that. It sucks, but I don't think that is a good enough reason to abandon what you've been doing up to this point. And I guess it was one thing if it was just hobbyists. Even then, I don't think a person that's doing art for a hobby will necessarily care enough because they're just having fun. I don't know, maybe I'm being too stupid. But that aside, recently I saw this account on Instagram, and I thought I saw some of the posts and I loved the art style, and I was like, yo, these are amazing pieces. I need to look this guy up, see his profile, see his gallery and all that. And little I didn't know it was AI, and I thought about it and I was like, some of these designs, why don't I take them? It sounds so messed up, but if the premises of this, that AI is technically stealing, without permission, I guess, our created images and using them to generate their own, I guess, isn't it a fair game to take what they've made and make it our own too? This is still, I guess, I'm just throwing it out in the ether, but if art is a game, if the game that we're playing right now is steal or be stolen from at this point, again, it sounds messed up, I know. But, why not? Let's have fun with it. Already, I've seen a couple of people and their AI images. I'm just like, oh, I'm going to take that character design. I'm going to take that character design. I don't know. It's pretty messed up. I don't know. I guess I'm trying to keep a nice positive headspace because it's one of those things that for better or for worse, it's not going to go away. I think now that it's on the map, the whole AI thing, I can't imagine a world where we're just going to be like, okay, we're just going to stop doing AI, just pull the brakes and just stop. That's not going to happen. Unfortunately, that will never happen. So we're sort of going to have to learn how to live in the world today as it is. Actually, I take that back. Who knows what's going to happen in the future? Because there could be some big event that would really cause people to really put the brakes on AI. I don't know what that is, but I won't put it off the table. Like, again, anything could happen in the future. Anyway, I preface this to say, don't give up. If you like doing art, if you like creating pieces, doing illustrations, animation, manga, whatever it is, don't let AI be the reason why you just drop your pen and pencil and give up. I just feel like there's got to be more to it than just the results. It's got to be more than just the money. And so in a previous video, I did like a video about skills, money, or passion, or the things that an artist needs to sort of continue being an artist, because it's a heavily saturated field. It's sort of cutthroat in how difficult it is to make it in this type of field or in any field of arts. So for the people that like doing it for fun, doing it for a living, or passion or because it pays the bills, stick at it. There are people that love your artwork and will continue to like it regardless of AI. The fan base that likes your artwork will continue to like it regardless if there's a robot drawing exactly like you or even better than you. Yeah, that's my 2 cents. Again, I'm not that educated on AI, regretfully so. I wish I looked up more information on it, and if there's any holes or pieces that I'm missing, a part of the whole AI equation, let me know in the comments. Maybe this is an issue I should be caring more about or worrying about, or maybe this is just a personal thing in which I just don't think of it as an issue. I think the people that like my artwork or that like me, if any of you out there, will stick around to see my art regardless if there's robots out there drawing like me or even better than me. And that fan base, I think, will only get bigger. I might not be able to make artwork faster than a robot or make artwork better than a robot, but I think yeah, I think there's gonna be people that will stick around to see me draw what I want to draw. Anyway, thank you so much for watching me ramble about AI. It's a short one, a super short one. Again, I'm going to try to do more shorts. My social media is in the description. Like the video if you want. Comment, please comment on the video. I don't respond to it all anymore, but I do read them. And yeah, I'm working on the next artist analysis, please. It's happening. It's just I need a break from doing those heavily edited videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.